one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. So put something in the air. Put it in the air. Yeah. Suck, Snoop.
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cuz homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swank in my hair. Trick, quit talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a put some grip and take this on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
It's the one and only D.R.E.
Dr. Dre, Lil Buck.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.O.G. Straight off them killer streets of CPT. King up the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Wood, Coupe de Ville, rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop. What? Dre and Snoop hitting cumblers in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clipping all the amps, dipping through hoods. What hood? Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side. It's California love, this California got your boy a gang of pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club with my jeans on and my team strong. Get my drink on and my smoke on, then go home with something to poke on. Locust on for the 200. Coming real, it's the next episode.
Hold up, wait. For my who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, wait. For my who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.
Coming at you. Open smoke. Yeah. Open smoke. Coming at you. Open smoke. Yeah. Open smoke. Coming at you.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind, thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running, wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in light speed.
Times like these that make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs rolling astray. Allow sacrifice in the price you pay. Living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Walk feelings I be more like you. Try not to put your fire with the things I like be like.
The fear of never falling in love, and the tears after losing the feelings of what you thought love was. Like the dirt still up under the rug.
My life be like
bad characteristics covered in Christ's blood. The joy of new birth and the pain of sounds of ooh ah beneath my breath.
Last times like these that make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Leaving breadcrumbs for when I stray. A long sacrifice and the price you pay. Living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Hard feelings, I need more like you. Try not to put your fire with the things I do.
My life be like ooh ah ooh, dum dum ditty. Here come that boy from the capital city. Last up on the grist, new ditty. But 8 bars of the truth will do. I believe there's a bride that's stunning, and I believe in the kingdom coming. I believe if you seek the truth, you don't need to look far, cause it's gonna find you. So why, oh why do I trip and stumble? And ooh ah's commitment crumbles. I can't believe that I'm here again.
My life be last times like these that make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Leaving breadcrumbs for when I stray. A long sacrifice and the price you pay. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Hard feelings, I need more like you. Try not to put your fire with the things I do. Last times like these that make me say, Lord, leaving breadcrumbs for when I stray. A long sacrifice and the price you pay. Living like a fingertip.
All right. Okay, chat, how are we going to do this morning? We're going to start the stream, but to unlock the volume, 100 likes. All right, Keeks, you happy with that?
I'm happy with that, bro.
So we're still going to do the analysis, but the analysis will be done without audio. So to unlock the audio, 100 likes. So 100 likes will unlock the audio. So yeah, if you guys are happy with that, Keeks, you happy with that?
I'm happy with that, bro.
All right. So
Sounds good to me.
we're first going to pray here, and then we're going to get going here. So this is the Q. Where's Juice? We are going to pray now, my brother. Father, we just want to thank you for another incredible week. Thank you for being with us this entire week. Thank you for your blessings, your mercies, and your grace. We pray that you will be with us during this session. Also pray for our families that go out about their day. Pray for your hand of protection over them. Father, we also pray that you will be with us during this day, and then also with each and every member, each and every viewer as they go about their weekend. Just bring us all back safely on Monday. And then also, Father, we just pray that you will meet each and every viewer here right where they are, at their need, whatever they need, Father, and that they can know you hear their prayers. Thank you that you also hear our prayers through our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Father, we thank you for that. And we just pray for an awesome session in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Amen. All right. Okay, chat. I'm going to start the analysis here. And it will be without audio till we get 100 likes. All right, Kigo, you ready for this?
I'm ready, bro. I'm born ready.
Silent stream. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Pray for audio, chat. I'm kidding. I'm just playing with you guys.
Hey, man.
Keeks, but think about that. So I told Keeks we should get some Q20 for these mic stands. But nonetheless, I told Keeks what we should do is we need to have these unlocks where it's like a game to unlock the screen. 150 likes, so you get audio but no screen. And then also, like, let's say you hit 500, the cracker that day will be live as well. So think about that, Chad. But anyways, we had some Euro retail sales come out this morning, a little bit softer than expected overall. We've had nationwide housing prices out of Britain also coming out a little bit softer. There's more of a inflation figure. CPI coming out of the Eurozone, unemployment change coming out in Germany as well, 5 to 11. And then a little bit later, we've got CPI coming out of Germany as well. And then also we've got some inflation figures coming out 15:30 this afternoon as well. Core personal consumption expenditures for the dollar. So quite a nice day with a lot of data points. So I think we're going to have a very solid day. But we're going to head over straight to the charts, see what we've got cracking there from a technical front. And then also please check the link there, FFB. I think you guys should be good. Let me just see. Yeah, okay, responses are coming in. You guys should be solid. Chad, let's have a look at it. Dollar yesterday closing strong bullish after taking that previous daily low. I'm going to be bullish on the day. And the reason I'm bullish is we took a previous daily low, failed to hold below, and now holding that little support area there. Very simple for me now is we do have this area to contend with. This is a definite area where the dollar would need to get through, and if we get through that area, we are going to the next level, to the upside. And one thing that I do need to note is that we can still be bearish on the day if we fail to break through here. This could all just be a deeper pullback. If you look at it from a line chart perspective, we haven't really closed above that zone there. So from a line chart perspective, this could just be a very, very deep pullback. But for the reason that we took two previous daily lows and then closing bullish, I've got somewhat of an idea that we can actually see a nice bullish move today. Maybe the data pushes it bullish, but that is my idea on the dollar. Asia lows being taken. There's your daily pivot. There's your 200 EMA. So this could be the liquidity sweep for the rest of the day. So all I want to see is what we do at the daily pivot, what we do at that 200. And then I just want to see how we come back into the Asia range. All right, chat. So very, very simple here on the dollar this morning. If we reject Asia lows, could see a bit of a lower move, but that is my idea for us to come back inside of the Asia range. US 30 on the other hand, let's quickly look at US 30 on the daily. Beautiful, nice bullish candle closure. We were bullish yesterday. I told you guys this could be a potential pause. And now very simple. I do think there's a very high probability, similar to what gold did, that we can push up to these all-time highs, this flat body resistance area, and then once we break through onto new highs, that's when you're going to see volume. We're going to talk about gold now. This morning I was monitoring this initially on the 5, and I thought, Chris, wait for the open, but there was a beautiful break, retest, and hold with the expectation to go and test that previous daily high. So for me, a little bit cooked. I don't want to take this while Ed was doing his segment, but that was a valid break and hold above for the continuation. So at this stage, we're going to have to see what we do at the previous daily high. Okay. NASDAQ daily. Let's check NAS on the daily. NASDAQ's price action on the daily for me has not been super clean, even though we've mentioned that this will be a range that we will trade into. This is the range that we were stuck in, and now we've got this next potential range here. Let me just show you guys quickly what I'm looking at. So most likely, if we hold above this range here, and we are looking bullish, trading above the previous daily high, we can basically fill out this range here. All right, so this could be our range for the day, and I am bullish looking at what the charts are showing me. There's that daily zone, previous daily high. So if we hold above it, already trading at the daily R1, I'm going to say I might look for some potential continuations of the Asia range. If not, then I would look for some potential shorts below the previous daily high. But for me, currently, Asia highs are where it's at right here. If we can hold that zone, then gold. Gold daily, beautiful. Yesterday we were bullish, and today bullish as well. And then yesterday, unfortunate that that we got stopped out at break even, but the move happened. I think Keegs, we were trading it from here. Yes, that is where we were trading it from. We took some buys here into this zone. A little bit of a hesitation around there, but I did mention if you're really keen to get into gold, this was your trade here a little bit later the evening, around about 5:30. There was your retest on that daily zone. There was your minor break of structure above. So if you weren't greedy, I think this thing gave you 50. That was an easy 50 yesterday there. I just had to get home. But again, if you were selling here, please stick around for a week or two. Everyone that has been with the channel for a while knows that you do not sell an all-time high. Never. It's you don't do it. So anyways, I am bullish on the day. There's your previous daily high. Asia lows have been swept. For me, very simple going into the session. If we hold here above the zone, I will go long. We are now in a price discovery phase, so there's nothing stopping price once we start breaking above, and I will target that daily R1. However, if we do start rejecting here, I might take some shorts just because we are super bullish on the weekly. So I don't know how deep this weekly pullback is going to be, but I will just trade very aggressively to the short side if I do tend to go short on this. GU, very simple on the daily as well. Yesterday I was thinking that we can potentially go bullish at one stage, but now that daily taking a previous daily high, I am actually bearish on the day while we trade below this zone, because this is a minor support being broken down, and we can trade into this 124 and then also this previous little breakout zone there. Looking on, let me just do this, more neutral to bearish, I would say. Neutral to bearish. If I look at it from a lower time frame perspective, classic setup, daily pivot, that daily zone, 200 EMA. So all I want to see is a break back below here, and I will go short if it starts going long, and not my trade to take. But if we do get the short like this, a nice bearish candle, that is going to be my trade back into this previous daily low. Okay, what's the range here? 18, perfect. So I'm just going to wait for something like that, rejection off this level, and I will go short on it. Then last one, GJ daily. We are technically bearish because we've broken this minor support area there. We failed to hold above the 200 EMA. So I am technically bearish, but on the other side of things, we took the previous daily low, failed to hold below it. So that for me is a little bit of a liquidity sweep there. And if you look on the weekly candle, let's check the weekly candle. Weekly candle can somewhat pull back and close week bearish. But what I want to see is what are we doing on the lower time frames. There's your daily zone. There's your daily pivot currently holding your EQ. Straight up ahead, you've got the 192.50. This makes it very tricky. We broke through Asia range. There was no test on Asia highs. We've got the 192 untested. Yeah, guys, GJ is a little difficult. If we break above here, I would consider potential buys. One thing I do need to note is we've got the 50 here. So if we do take it, we're going to need to be very aggressive off the 50. And my concern with the shorts below daily pivot is just down below we've got the 192, which is the institutional level. So this is our Chad, I'm gonna wait and see a little bit more price development, but I do think the safer play is above 192.50. Just purely looking left here, you guys can see this 192.50 area was quite a contentious area where price rapidly bounced from rejected. So for me to trade into that little zone there is going to be somewhat risky. So 192.50 buys above, and then I want to say daily pivot, depending on how close we can get it there, we can take potential shorts, and then we want to see a break through 192, or we're going to wait for something similar to yesterday. something like this, maybe breaking into the zone and then going short. So that is the rapid fire analysis. Kigo, over to... Why can't I see Keegan's screen? Give me 1 sec, Keegs.
No stress, bro.
Where is Kigo's screen? Yeah. Your PC is on, eh?
Yeah.
Bro, what the heck? Chad, we've got no screen for Keegs. Keys, I think something might have plugged out with your HDMI.
I think I know what it is.
What do you think? I changed it as well. All right, Chad. We might not have Keeks on today. Wait, what I'm going to do, Keeks, I'm going to send you a Teams link. I'll quickly throw it on Teams here. Give me
I
one
don't know
second.
what's going on there.
Chad, give me 1 second. We are going to sort this for you guys. Do you have WhatsApp on that PC?
No.
How can I get the link to you, my dude?
Send him in Discord.
Okay. Okay, Kigo. Just doing some running maintenance here. Okay, just share your screen.
Can you see that?
Yeah, perfect. Let me just quickly set it up here on my side.
Hey. Always a problem, bro. We can never have it easy.
But we improvised, dude. Wait, what the...
This is Chris's gym playlist, guys, for those that don't know.
There we go.
This is what our boy gets down to.
Let's go. That's so weird.
Still not working.
No, I wanted to do a window capture, but I'm just gonna do a screen capture. Let's just do this quick.
Yeah, we are at different gyms now, Brian. We used to be at the same gym, but I moved.
Okay, Kigo, give me 1 second. We're gonna get you on now.
No stress, bro. We're chilling.
Some running repairs, yeah. Righty. Alrighty, chat. Here we go. There's Kigo back.
Alright, guys. Okay, let's get into it. So, starting us off, let's get to the dollar. Dollar again, I must say, I do still agree with Chris. It's very hard for me to go bullish, to go bearish yet. We obviously are still holding these levels. We are staying around this key level, weekly key area 107,800. A lot of wick rejection there. And the thing for me, this is just another retest of the weekly pivot. Yesterday, breaking above, still holding that level, but also holding the weekly pivot. So, really just coming down to a nice test. If we look at the 4 hour, if this definitely holds, I definitely think we can still get a move to go bullish after this. So definitely not going to say I'm against the bullish dollar yet. We've traded down, so if we look at Asia highs, previous daily high, all of that remains untested. So if dollar can hold its feet here at weekly pivot, get back into that Asia range and go above this weekly pivot, weekly key area. Once we take this Asia highs and previous daily highs, I definitely think that move is onto the top side. So just keep an eye out for that. So definitely, I must say, I still like the dollar's strength. Over to NASDAQ, again, I am bullish, but on a Friday, I think we might see a little bit of a priced in day. Two things are going to happen, honestly. We're either going to see this run now, and the thing for me is that if you look at, we kind of had a bit of a gap up, but there's still a gap over here that also hasn't been closed. So we could see this run for that gap today, and that's what makes this a bit of a tricky one with NASDAQ, is when we look at where we are, obviously having the gap into this new level of support, we are at the weekly pivot, and there is a key area. We could bounce around here and almost have a no trade day. And then the second scenario is that we have a massive trade day, and we could see this thing hold and, as I say, go for that gap fill over here. So two options: either I was going to say normal bit of a neutral day, or we are going to go a bit more to the side and say very big bullish day. So also going to be very careful with how we watch that one, and if we do take a trade there. USD for me, again, just very, very extended week. If you look at this on a weekly, we can see it being a very, very nice, strong week. Obviously, it broke, held support, and just continuing. Because of where we are with USD, we are right there by those all-time highs. I wouldn't want to say I'm going to short it. This thing, I think, is definitely going to go bullish. It's just a case of when you look here, we've had the retest of the weekly R1. Now this thing can just start ripping. I think definitely an area we want to watch against that previous daily high. Personally, if we look at how momentum's happened, yeah, I think we could see something where this can hold as a little bit of resistance, maybe a potential fake out, then come back, retest in Asia highs, and then we could get that move. Otherwise, if we do get any types of breaks above, I'd look for the break, hold that previous daily high, and then re-break. Then that's where we would take something to continue bullish. With gold, gold is the interesting one for me. I'm literally watching this candle right now, guys. I think the sells for me are looking good. Reason being is we've seen this a few times. Now, yes, we talk about this, and I'm not going to say I'm thinking long term, but more short term. And when I say that is obviously you've got now all-time highs. So this was all-time highs yesterday, all right? So we can take that into note. Those all-time highs was yesterday's previous daily high. Now, when we start getting stuff like this, we've spoken about it a few times, and I always say, so you have all-time highs, you have all these wick rejection. Now, if we break, a lot of guys will know, we break, and then we close back underneath this level, and we can hold resistance, very good chance we could see that sell-off come. And again, just a pullback, because the same thing, when you look on a weekly, it is just very, very much bullish. I mean, look at this. So massive candle. Now I'm just saying it could have a bit of a pullback, and then we can retake that again next week. So that's just one of the scenarios. Otherwise, our typical scenario we talk about, and that's why I'm literally watching this right now. If we, as we say, have broken underneath, and we can get a hold underneath the previous daily high, I definitely think those sells are on the table for us. So I'm going to keep a very close eye on that. And again, as I say, all I'm talking about is you could get to go back down to Asia lows, and possibly even go retest just the previous weekly high. We can see our daily pivot, EQ, all that's there. We could get something like this, a test, pull back in and park the bus in the Asia range and finish the day there. That's all I'm talking about. So we're going to keep an eye out there. If we get a close here, I definitely think I would take a shot at these sells for short term. GJ, as it is London session, very, very much neutral for the day. Now, the thing for me was, guys, we spoke about the bearish move. Now, if you guys were in our prep call, Lyndon, I know you trade a lot of the pound pairs. We spoke about this on prep call that we traded into the yearly pivot. Now, two things are going to happen. You either trade away from it or you trade with it. So, as you can see, we literally tested it, next day bearish, and then we started ripping off. So, these yearly pivots are not something you want to joke about, shop brother. So, what I want to see is, again, typical Friday. We can just be seeing a bit of that pullback action, but it is at the EQ. So, very, very much of a tricky one. What I'm going to say for me personally, if we can break and kind of take these lows, anything under the daily pivot, I think I would take a chance at a sell on it. But at the same time, if we can hold the EQ like everything else, holding that EQ, you're above the 200, those longs would look good, at least back to the weekly pivot, which we had a breakaway and no retest since. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be looking at, guys. So yeah, that's everything from me.
Thanks, Keeks. Chad, I'm locked in. Literally. Oh. Right, let's see. We've got a little bit of a... Let's check here. Okay. I think we're back. I think we're back. I think we are back, boys. Chad, markets are Kigo, that horn. Markets are open and in motion. Penultimate round, yeah, round 9. Ding, 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 ding.
Round 1, fight.
All right, here we go.
Wait, hold on. So if we... Are we back?
No, we're back. No, I mean, my thing was frozen. My camera, so the guys thought I was just not even blinking. Alrighty, Nasdaq, Asia highs. Let's see what she does there. Gold currently rejecting previous daily highs. I would consider maybe a little bit of an aggressive short here.
That's literally what I said to them now. I would have taken those shorts now.
Oh, now already? Yeah, I'm just going to wait for this 15.
So we had the 930 15 candle break underneath, rejecting Asia highs and getting back under previous daily high. And that's also under our previous all-time high level of yesterday. Then the next candle testing it again and closing underneath it. I was saying the same thing to the guys. Not saying I'm bearish, but I definitely could see a kind of end of week, little bit of a pullback.
Yeah. Chad, I agree with that. So all I want to basically see now is, you see this 15, if this 15 can close breaking this minus structure level there, I will take a nice little quick short here into this 27.95. GU holding above here, so let's see. Not fully convinced yet of the long move, so I'm going to let it simmer here a bit. But I do believe once we get back below here, I will take some shorts. The idea with this trade is that we've then failed to hold above the daily pivot. We've rejected that 200, and that's going to be the last hurrah for it. If it starts trading above, I'm not really interested. I'll see where we trade a little bit later in the day with GU. And then GJ, as mentioned, nothing long for me up until we get above 192.50. Actually going to set some alerts there for us. 192.50. And yeah, shorts also a little tricky for me, just purely because this 192 is sitting there. But if we can maybe get it close to this daily pivot, do a little bit of aggressive trade management as we move down. But those are the setups so far. GU looks good. Gold looks good potentially. 30 closed bearish. Alright, yeah. 30 closed bearish, but still holding above there. And then, yeah. Nasdaq daily R1. I'll only consider shorts down here, Chad. If we do something like this, then I would consider shorts. Otherwise, it's gonna be a little trickier.
Is this NCS?
Yeah.
They're playing some new Friday vibes here, bro.
Sometimes they produce a shift though. Nasdaq.
You know the crazy thing, bro? This is better than our Grow FM.
Yeah, definitely. Let me see what's the chat saying. Did you say releasing the one step today? Yeah. If all goes well, it's ready. It's ready. I'm literally the guys that the tech team is in the United States, so still waiting for them to wake up. But late last night, popped me a message. Plan to push dashboard updates for the one-step challenge tomorrow morning. Otherwise, first thing Monday, but everything is done. It's just a matter of quickly doing a little bit of a run through. But yeah, here was the message that I received yesterday evening. Plan to push dashboard updates for the one-step challenge tomorrow morning. Sheesh. So yeah, chat. If not today, 100% Monday. But we're gonna push for today. We will push it.
Bro, we must do for the last time. We need to do the Jan trader highlights.
Oh yeah. Let's
See where our
actually.
boys sitting. Who's gonna bring it home today?
Yo, completely forgot about that. Thanks, Geeks, for reminding me. Thank you for reminding me of that. Let's see here.
You're more than welcome, my brother.
Let's see what the lads are doing. Competition. Ooh. Okay, let's get it across here. Okay. Alright, chat, let's do this real quick. Trader highlight for today. It's still Chlorny. 49.57. Banderman. 27. Rhino Flex third. I don't know if these guys, Keegs, maybe just said, listen here, let's park the bus. No need to.
You're getting something.
Yeah.
Like, just chill.
Dylan, if Dylan Savage is here this morning, just the absolute legend. Is Dylan here this morning? Let me see if I can see D Sav. Yes, there. I see him there. All right, Dylan. Dude, so here's the thing. You've got nothing to lose. Unless you want to just take a screenshot of being fourth. But nobody remembered the guy in fourth. So you've got nothing to lose, everything to gain. So use it.
Chris is being that bad influence now.
Dude, here's the thing. You're fourth. Yeah, highly unlikely, Dylan, to do it. Let's see if we can get Dylan across the line here. But Chad, before then. Cheers, cheers. Cheers, cheers, Keegs.
Cheers, my brother.
All right.
I need to finish my coffee before my bad boy up. Before I let it rip there.
ASMR.
I think that's the new niche Chris is going to go into, guys. Trading, you're going to hear lots of clicking, lots of swishes, and can opens. And every now and again a keyboard typing. And then, yay, it's a legend. Guys, I
No,
promise
man,
you it's not
Rian,
even a
it's the competition account. There's no pay. Rian's like, no, Dylan, take the payout. No, Rian, it's the competition. No, if it was a funded account, obviously. Chris, where's the 5? Yeah. Always a young 5 liter waiting to be drank. All right, Chad, there we go. All right, there's to you. Like I said, the longs, not necessarily for me. Super C, send it. Yeah, Rian was like, Chris, what bad advice are you giving? Join Project G this month. I will start watching the live stream. This has been my most consistent trading month ever. Thanks to the G's, you guys are out there doing the Lord's work. Do appreciate it, my brother. Do appreciate that. Geez, if you could choose one trading style for the rest of your life, what would it be? Scalping, swinging, day trading? If you're talking about, I like day trading. We can't actually, day trading, scalping, more or less the same thing. There was a time where I scalped very well, but then also in the same vein, you get to a stage where you're never happy with 100 pips. Then you want 200 pips. Then it's like, can I get 500 pips? So day trading for me,
Manifesting 200.
200. Chad, here we go.
200 is 200.
GU, this is what we waited for. Tiny little top wick break of the lows in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Yeah, Rich, don't worry, bro. Got my banger ready.
Sure,
we doing a complete 360 today with the man.
Bro, NCS. Do it, NCS, dude.
NCS goes for it, bro.
Bro, somebody heard NCS.
5 minutes ago, we were partying in our beach house. Now I don't know what we're doing.
Alright, chat, here's the trade idea. Please note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do urge you to consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decision. You will absolutely 100% guaranteed lose money if you follow what we do here. So for that reason, please just watch us do what we do and you do what you do, but do not do what we do. Alright? So we do, you do, and then let's get going here. In 3 minutes, what I will be doing is, if this candle closes below this zone, yeah, I'm going to wait for a tiny little nipple there, and then a break of the low here. That's going to initiate me into some shorts with the idea. We reject the daily pivot. We're back inside the Asia range. 200 EMA rejected. And then also the doll hair coming back in the Asia range. So, could be... But we need to close below here. If we hold that zone, no bueno, no trado. Okay, let's get ready here. Sure, keep. Yes,
hey, going for it today, bro.
NCS. You guys should take a cold shower there at NCS. You guys are overheating here. If we don't get it on the 15, very likely we'll get it on the 30. Same setup, minor support being broken down. So if this 15 closes above, we'll wait for the 30. Then we will wait for the 30. And then gold. Gold, I might take a little wickful here, guys. If I'm being very honest. if we close a little bit lower, check there's that little resistance area there. So if this 15 can close below here, I will go for a little wick fill here.
Oh, I like that play.
A little wick fill action. So let me just get gold on here as well.
Ooh. Yeah, US studies coming back to Asia highs.
Ooh.
And NAS coming to play as well.
Okay, GU. No, so you're going to have to wait for the 30, unless in 40 seconds this thing's going to push down. Gold as well. Wait. Okay, Chad, gold, very likely if we close like this. Nice little top wick break or a rebreak of the next 15 low. We've got about 17 pips in this. Oh. Gold said no, not today. Let me just check it. No, it's gonna hold. Okay. No trade there on gold. GU also pulling back. GJ ranging. Nasdaq back in the Asia range. Keys, what do you think? Think the shorts are on you?
I'd wait for
Retest.
I wait for another daily R1, eh?
Yeah, same, yeah. Previous daily high for me.
That daily R1 for me, I think, could be a problem. But I'm liking gold, bro. I'm not giving up on that yet. If this now takes these lows again now, then I think it's going for that wick fall. Don't do it without us now. Don't be like that.
Chad, very careful here on gold if you are going short. I've seen this. So if you look on the 5 minute, there was your impulse move. Look how we are overlapping, this very overlapping price action. So if you're going to the downside, just be very aggressive with your trade management, because at any stage can this thing just reignite that bullish fire it had yesterday.
Yeah.
But not against the short idea for a bit of a pullback.
Yeah. Chris shows violence today with NCS, guys. I promise you, he was like, guys, we want the hardest stuff that you have.
Any opinions on the talked about? No opinions. I'm not really into crypto. I would love to be, but
We're gonna become crypto gurus.
But I honestly don't have any knowledge on the, let's call it, I wouldn't even call it fundamentals, but let's call it the crypto environment, or I don't know how to say, theme. Hackies, when you almost get a feeling for the market, you're a little bit in tune. So I don't know what the guys are saying on blogs. I don't know what the guys are saying on Twitter. I don't know how got my 10 on gold already. W analysis. Jeez. Hey, nice, man. Nice.
Yeah, I was sleeping, guys. I should have entered it long ago, but you know me, I don't normally like London session anymore, so I was a bit hesitant there.
Hey, Terry Chinyoka. It has been a minute, my brother. Keeks, Terry Chinyoka is here, my dude.
Sheesh.
Terry Chinyoka. Chin-chins.
Terry's in the building.
Chris, how do you think that the plane collision? It wouldn't, dude. It's unless it was driven by some type of, I don't even know if you can get shadow banned for it. But I'm just gonna put it on the screen here. Unless it was some type of activity, I don't think it will affect the market. If it was honestly just an accidents happen. So it's very weird for me how, well, not weird. If you think about it, a plane moving, let's say the plane was coming down to land. What is the landing speed for, let's say it was a 737. Let's say the landing speed close to the ground is, say, 300 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
You've got a moving object in the air, 300 kilometers per hour. You've got a helicopter flying maybe at, say, 100, 150. And then both, I don't know.
It's a weird one.
Trump hammering down BRICS nations. He should. Dylan, he should. He should 100% knock the BRICS nations. Because here's the thing with South Africa as well. We tend to allow politicians to talk a lot of shit about the US. And there's that saying, don't bite the hand that feeds you. So I think they're going to very quickly see that you're not above any other country. So they should 100% smack them, teach them a lesson.
I agree with it.
Alrighty, chat. This currently is the only setup for me that's clean. Is this GU trade?
You're not interested in gold anymore?
No, my issue with gold is if you check this 5, you check out so just this leg here, you see how we stay stepping here, and it can stay step like this basically all the way down, but at any stage can this thing just rip back up. So
bro, did you see that post? The guy put up a M3 competition for sale.
yeah,
And the guy messaged, he's like, yo, so how do I enter the competition? And I was like, no, bro, no.
Joe. BMW M3 competition. Damn, Keeks. Yo.
Bro, I was laughing so much when I saw that.
Yeah, Asia Lowe's on this if she doesn't run away from us now, which I hope she doesn't. Don't do this to us. Don't do it, GU. I know Rax and the other boys are already in. Where's Lyndon? Lyndon's already almost break even. Lyndon entered, yeah. Lyndon entered on this candle, that engulfing a little bit of a double top, double fail, actually triple fail off the daily pivot. So Lyndon and Rax, they're running about 5 or 6 pips. Nah, it's not gone, my dude. It's barely gone. This thing is like 5 pips away from Asia, so this is not gone at all. Gone as if it's gonna sit here on a support, but yeah, perfect. There's more than enough pips for us to catch here. More than enough. Gold, she's gone.
Chad, we literally called it and we didn't take this bloody thing. I hope some of you guys did, but yeah. Bit of a cack one there.
Don't be cock, be lekker, Keeks.
Be lekker.
Why do you wanna be cock, my bro?
We do Wimbledon style Sunday kicks. Oh, bro, I've already told this big man over here. He's got to warm up. He's got Saturday to warm up because Sunday we're gonna throw down.
HVD.
We're gonna throw down on Sunday, bro.
Finish him.
It's gonna be rough out there.
Alrighty, Chad. One thing we do need to note is that as much as we're taking this trade off the Asia Highs daily pivot, you do have a support area. Oh, cheers.
Oh,
Cheers,
that
cheers.
sounds so good, bro. But
Cheers,
it tastes
cheers.
even better.
We do have a previous resistance area here. Okay, but if it closes like this, then obviously no trade for me. Yeah, okay. Don't stress. GU is like, hold onto my Super C. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers. Yeah, and then unfortunately, gold, we were looking for that short play for the wick fill, but that for me held this little resistance area here. So no trade for me. I just wanted it to close below there. But let's see if GU, come on, dude. Chad, if we close here, I'm happy with this. I'm still happy with it. I will not go for the wick fill. However, I think there's only like 3.5 pips. I won't go for the wick fill. I will go with a sell stop on the break of these lows. That's going to be my idea then. 15 pip stop, which is up there. And then I will be targeting this 124 level. Trading view showing us actually what we should be doing, swinging for the fences. So that's going to be my idea then, about a 24 pip trade, risking 15. So as soon as this closes, needs to close below this little level, basically indicating to me a minor break of structure back inside the Asia range, and then that is going to be the trade. So I'm just going to have this here on the screen so long. But as I said, this is not financial advice. Please consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decision. You will 100% absolutely lose all of your money if you follow what we do here. Please don't follow what we do here. All right. Beautiful. All right, julle. Lekker, boys.
Lekker.
I haven't set the sell stop yet. I'm just putting it there ready. So please, you shouldn't be doing any of what we're doing here.
Yeah, just alright, eh?
Let me just maybe move this out before people catch on kak here today.
Financial advisor Keegs. Yeah, guys, I'm sitting here. I'm gonna supervise you like your maths teacher. So in Chris, I told you gotta work out the calculations. It doesn't matter what the end result is. I gotta show me how you got to that result. It's the same as trading. So if you just want to show me the result, you need to show me how you got there. Otherwise, it's ruler and you're gonna get smacked on the hand.
Hey, Lyndon. I would think I would know how the guys trade that I installed. I don't even want to say I teach. That just sounds like I'm trying to elevate myself. So let's say I hope I know how you guys execute, where I installed some of my knowledge into you. So, and that's the beauty of this, Lyndon, is that we see the same thing. It's not like Lyndon sees one thing, I see one thing, Keegan, and then when you ask us, it's like, no man, I just know. Have you seen that, Keegs? Like, but why did you? It's just this feeling I get, and it's just a lot of experience that I sometimes get.
So until you're saying that now, eh? Guys, send a 1 if you took those sells on gold.
Dude, of course the guys took the sells on gold.
Because like I know, guys, I just said I was sleeping. I even just didn't hesitate on myself. But like it set up exactly as you wanted, where we said like that break underneath, if it held, bang, go for the shorts. And now, I mean, you basically at Asia lows again already.
Bang, bang, shot me down.
Bro, but you see, that's what I love about Trump, bro. It's like where we are now. I mean, that already now was like a $7 move. Like in the space of 15 minutes.
Bro, you know what is bad? I've got a poo, but I can't. You guys know poos are for stop losses and P's are for TPs. So I'm gonna have to hold that bad boy in for energy now.
Bro. Keep it as reserve.
Yeah. Keep it in the tank. It's energy, boys.
That's a spare tire, bro.
Whoa.
In case it's full.
Okay, 1 minute. Let's hope this is a quick trade. Hit those TPs. Kicks, then I'm gonna have to go, bro. It's and act like you don't cuck, my dude.
I'm not acting like that, bro. I just think I've got a better bit of clutch control. You've been driving automatics for too long now, bro.
Nah, bro. It's not like Mo this morning putting that music on with that stage 2. Bra, pa, 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 skidda, pa, pa, pa,
Oh, that man was pulling some GTI moves there, bro. A little burble there.
Yo. Dude, I heard the music sitting in the office, and that's when I sent that video. Just a brum, pa, skidda, pa, pa, pa. Oh, yes, Mo's going to hate me for this.
Yeah.
Chad, and Mo is the guy that just when he started. Okay, Chad, we're going to talk about it now. Just a tiny little topic. Sell stops on the break of these lows. So I've got my sell stops set there. Sell stops have been set on the break of those lows. But just to give you guys an idea, Mo was the guy when we just started the office that would go home to poop. He's so shy. So if you put him on the spot like that, man, and I'm like, Mo, dude, it's a natural thing. Okay, Chad, I have been executed here. You don't have to be shy about it. You don't have to go home. Okay. Alrighty, Chad. Low-hanging fruit obviously is going to be Asia lows. That's about 17 pips. That's the low-hanging fruit. Which I think if we can get some momentum down, we can definitely tap into Asia lows and even this 12400. In a winning situation, where would I go break even? I'm going to say somewhere down here. This is going to be my break even point because the idea would be we can fill out this range. In a losing situation, this is now the tricky part, is that this trade is only wrong if we start trading above this daily pivot. So at that stage, how many pips is left to try and save there?
Yeah.
5? Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, my brother, that's great trade there. Yeah, gold would have hit TP now. So if you guys are greedy and you're still holding, I can't help you after that. But you are at Asia lows. That would have been your TP. That's smash. So great little profits there for you. I mean, think of it. That's a lucky little way for you to start the weekend now.
Oh, beautiful. Brett, 100%. Please, man, please fade me so that if I lose, at least somebody won. So I absolutely think you should fade me. Then at least there's a winner walking away here today. Brr, skid out, pa, pa, pa. Yeah, Steve Mo. I man wasn't happy about the video I sent on the group.
No, the whole
He's
stream
like,
knows.
I'm gonna go out here and kill that man. Skid out, pa, pa, pa.
So where's your break-even point on this trade?
Down here. Once we hit this support area.
So like 80% of your TP, then you only got break-even.
Yeah. We live dangerous like that, Keeks. No, I'm kidding. I
Man,
almost
it's all in,
probably
yeah.
almost probably
What
go.
about those lows just to the left there?
I'll go break even.
Yeah.
That's
If you take those
Yeah.
lows.
that's how many pips? 7.
Can see on the leaderboard, Dylan Savage took that gold trade.
Woo! Let's go check.
Hold on,
Let's
Dill.
go
Please
check.
tell me you full sent that, bro. If you full sent
Let's
that, you should
check.
even be close to. You should be in the prizes now.
Let's check. Only added like 2%, so it's still playing it safe.
Oh, Dill, you should have full sent that trade, bro.
Keegs, how's your mapping been?
Oh, I didn't hold my mapping.
Yeah. Do you have to play music, or is it, or do you have like,
I always just play music in general.
yeah?
but-
But how's your mapping been this week?
Actually, like decent, bro.
No burbles, more like that. Just AMG, just that pure grunt, like just goes.
That's it, bro.
Huh?
It just spits flames, and that's it, bro.
Sure. So no burbles or pops or anything.
Nah, that happens when you're eating healthy, bro. Man's gonna be in sync here.
So if you eat healthy, you get the AMG, that straight pipe.
Yeah,
Just okay. Burbles and pops. Pretty shit topic we talking. All right, Chad, beautiful.
Thank you, my boy. Yeah. Isn't that it? Isn't that would have been your 10? Wait, how big is that in total, actually, anyway?
No, Keegs, I'm not going to allow you to give me cock on this trade. I'm going for 18.
No, but I'm saying, so what is that now? Oh, so that is 18, so that's probably like what? 4
This
now?
is 5.
5. Yeah, you got this, bro. You got
5
this.
is 5.
I believe in you.
5 is 5. Yeah, there he goes. I think dollars should really just punch through these levels way too clean. And I do think when the dollar punches through, that's when GU will melt. Nasdaq.
Yeah, they still just range you now. NAS and USD.
Gold, unfortunate. Those shorts would have been lacquer. GU running quite nicely. Just going to wait till we tap into that level. And then GJ, like I mentioned, potential shorts here from the daily pivot. Rejection of that zone.
Phase 1 down, 1 more to go. Hey, awesome stuff, Ethan. Awesome stuff, brother. Same thing I tell everyone, just don't rush phase 2. Phase 2, bro, it is a mental game. 100% a mental game. You think you're off, you're so close, it's a smaller target, it's all this, and yet Oaks failed the phase 2 more than the phase 1. So just stick to your plan, take it chilled. You got this, bro. Bro, because you know how long it even took me to realize that.
So Chad, I'm gonna reduce my stops to half of what it was. Not yet break even, just half of what it was, so 7.5.
So, Chris, you weren't trading prop firms when we still had the day limit, eh?
How do you mean day? Oh no, what?
When
Dude,
we started, when you had 30 days to pass
and
this.
then you would throw down the last 2 days,
Even though, because if
and
you
then
go
you
break
restart.
even, you restart anyway.
Even if you I'm not even joking to you. The one FTMO account I did was, I think, 8.25. Closed out at like, say, 9%. They restarted, bro. That was suicidal, dude.
Kinu, no, you can't withdraw after phase 1, bro. You have to still pass phase 2. Then only when the account's live, you can get your withdrawal of profits from the live account.
I think somebody asked me a question on Instagram. They bought an account and they asked, how can they withdraw?
Bro, but because guys
I honestly think it's like you buy an
it's a money
account
glitch,
for
bro.
you buy an account for 3K and you withdraw 550.
it's an infinite money glitch.
Chris, how can I withdraw? I'm like, are you due for a payout? He's like, what payout? Just bought the account. I want to withdraw. I'm like, okay.
Hey, Carl, that's awesome stuff, bro. That's awesome, man. But yeah, guys, because when we went back to this, like, so for those that don't know, in the past, when like prop firms were like fresh, your phase 1, you had 30 days obviously to pass. If you were in
Phase 2,
profit,
60 days.
if you were in profit, you just got the reset. Phase 2, which is half the percent,
You get
but you
double the
got
days.
double the amount of time, and yet Oaks blew up. Now, just to show you that was a psychological thing.
Bro, you know what messed me up mentally was I was up, I don't know the balance and equity rule, up 8%. Now you think you literally have basically that, you think like you've got up until your 100K before your 5K. I didn't know that. I thought like that $8,000 is what you've got to lose based on daily drawdown limit. That thing dipped down, not even closed, open position, breached.
Jay, now, like literally you saying that, eh? I still have the screenshots. I'll see if I can find them and show you guys. Chris knows the story. We were still in the old office. I am not. And I come to him and I said, bro, you won't believe what happened. So this is what's up. Took this 100K account, all right? 100K account. I'm up $18,000 in a trade. I've already, like, my break even, so my stops in profit, for example, at like 10K, for example. I'm like, you know what, we're going to let this thing run. Going to be massive. The next day, so it goes overnight. Next day, pulls back, and it's again base of balance and equity. Even for me, this is when I got caught in equity. And it pulls back, and I go into the thing to check it. I know it's like chilling. I go check it out. My trades are closed. But they closed in profit. So I'm like, what the hell is going on here? There I get the email. They said, no, you breached the account, a hard breach, all of this. I'm like, what's going on? No, you were, for example, you're up 18, pulled back to 13K. That's a drop in 5% in equity. Breached account. And I was like, you are shitting me. So, yeah. We learn hard ways, guys. We learn very, very hard ways.
Chad, this trade was up about 8. I just moved my stops to 2 pips, just behind this 15. It shows that there's no bottom wick here, but on my trading terminal there is a little bit of a nipple there. So I just moved my stops in behind that, and I do think we can. If the dollar, once the dollar punches this previous daily high, that's when the volume is going to come in. Nice equal highs here, so definite liquidity sitting there above. And then, let's see if we can. I want to set my TP to about 16.7. What is that level there? 12408. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so just want to give it a little bit of room to breathe. In all honesty, we should punch through here, but we can find support here. And then DXY should run these highs very easily.
Chris, why is the one message pinned? I mean, it's an awesome message. Mashau. I don't know if I'm butchering them. I really apologize.
But then Rux took it off.
Yeah, I really apologize if I butchered your name there. But thank you for the awesome message.
Rux, why did you chalk his message, dude?
But my first thing is, the guys need the Friday Forgotten Banger link because that's not pinned now anymore.
No, the time to enter is
that
gone.
tells you everything you need to know. That's crazy, geeks. Yeah, no, trust me, bro. I was not. But it's the lessons we have to learn. So that's what I always say to you guys.
FFB was on from
the open, before the open.
8 o'clock it was pinned.
Yeah, so, yeah, bro, like, trust me when we say we've made all the mistakes you guys have, we've made them. We also walk the same walk. We did it as well. I mean, we just like everyone else. We have to learn the hard way. We bump our head. As much as it's human, Chris always says, as much as someone's going to tell you it, you're going to want to bump your head yourself. But once you do that, you trust me, you're never going to forget that again. Yeah, we still keep making them, yeah. Jad, that was painful. We trading to survive these things. I can't imagine what I would have done with a 13K win. then an account closed afterwards. It shows profits are also in it to make money. Yeah, it's there, but again, the rules are there. But even for myself, you don't understand equity, you get caught in something like that. So it's not like it's not like it was hidden.
Prof is asking you a question there.
Question: how do I become profitable with a 1-to-1 RO? Does it mean I have to have a 50+% win ratio? Obviously, you would have to have a bit more than a 50. But again, it comes down.
60, then you're netting 1% on everything trades.
Yeah, so like Chris says there, if you couldn't hear that, like if you have a 60% win rate, you're only netting 1% on every 10 trades. So it's the same thing, guys. Even for example, Miles, the way Miles trades. Yes, sorry guys. Yes, it is, if you want to say, low risk, but obviously he has a super high win rate. So yes, he knows he's going to lose, but at the end of the day, even if he knows, for example, he takes 10 trades, even if he loses 2, he will still be profitable at the end. You get what we're saying? So yeah, if you're going to do a 1-to-1, you got to have a very, very high win rate. I think even, I don't want to lie to you, the guys at InProdigy can tell you, yeah, the cracker, since we've been back on stream, I think for 3 weeks now, just more than 3 weeks even maybe, the crackers lost 2 trades. So even though it's a 1-to-1, if you think of it that way, that's 15 trades. Let's just say 3 weeks. That's 15 trades. The cracker only lost 2. So there's 13 trades you won. You get what we're saying? So if you're going to do a 1-to-1, and keep in mind the cracker, we just do a 1-to-1 for there, but almost every trade did a 1-to-2, 1-to-3 type of thing. So yes, there can be a 1-to-1 that works, but it has to have a high win rate. And then every now and again, you got to also trust yourself and maybe back the strategy to do a 1-to-2. Find ways to adapt it, whether it's taking the trade at a certain time, it's taking the trade in a certain session. Try adjusting the stop size to maximize the profit size. That's the whole point of journaling. So start looking at where you can adapt the strategy and change and make adjustments to it to make it more profitable for you. I hope that really helps, my brother. Quarter day, Linden, delete MetaTrader. What did Linden do now? Okay, geez. Hey, Linden, you smashing trades again, yeah, bro. 1.8k done for the day. Hey, now Linden, you've had a solid week, my brother. You've had a solid week. Yesterday, the man's trading the cracker now. He's getting roped in there with the cracker. Now on top of this, you've had a solid week, bro. And again, like, that's the thing, guys. And Linden can be someone, for example, that is a perfect example of what we talk about. He's not a full-time trader, and this is what we always preach to you guys. And I always say when we talk to people, Linden. But I'm saying the man puts the work in, and he makes the money. Like, I don't want to sound like we're talking and we put in some Linden on this pedestal, but I would even say literally what he's making from trading, because he's investing in himself, you make it what some people don't make in their monthly salaries. And this is a side hustle for the guy.
100%.
And I always say to people, if you could trade purely to take your rent, your trading pays for your rent, or it pays for your car installment, or it pays for something, just the fact it can take an expense off of you, imagine how different your lifestyle would be. And I've always said to guys, so don't think of these influencers that are showing you, oh, you're going to make 300k, 500k, 600k. Yes, you can do that, but it's going to take you a long time to get there. So if trading can pay an expense for you and just do that, and you start scaling it and scaling it and scaling it, that's when it makes a difference.
2 things I want to discuss here. The win rate thing we're going to chat about. But think about it this way. If you can do 1,000 Rand a day, doesn't sound like a lot. You do 1,000 Rand a day. What does that equate to? That equates to, let's say every day, some days you get a little bit more, but let's say you average 1,000 Rand a day. That equates to 20k per month. All right. You don't have to say what your salary is, but 20k per month is a decent income for a side hustle. That can pay for rent. that can pay for food, that can pay for quite a bit of things. Now you can do 1,000 Rand a day, and let's say in a year, 2 years time, don't think short term, don't think 3 months, 4 months, think 3 years down the line, you can scale that 1K a day to, let's say, 5K a day, all right? Now, all of a sudden, that 20K month turns into 100K month, all right? Now, a lot of people don't want to make 500 Rand a day. They don't want to make 200 Rand a day or even 1,000. They want to make 50,000 a day. But you don't want to start here. You got to take the small steps and build it up. Then the second thing with the win ratio is, if you think about it, me and Ed had this conversation, if you think about your win rate. So a guy like Miles, for instance, if his win rate was, let's say, 70% and not 80%, there's such a big jump from a 80% win rate to a 70% win rate. And think about it this way. 10 trades, let's say you've got 10 trades and you only take 0.33%. So let's say negative 1 to 3.
Sorry, guys.
So you've got 10 trades that you take. You win 7 times 0.33%, because that's what you make on a trade. And 3 trades, you basically lose 8%. Okay? So that's going to equal 3%. What is 7 times? Let me just grab a calculator here. 7 times 0.33 is going to give you 2.31. Okay. So you're only making 2.31%, but you're losing. Sorry, what the fuck? Sorry, guys. 3%. So you're actually down net negative. But take this to 8. So you need a high win rate then. Holy smokes. 8 times 0.33, then it gives you 2.64. Joe, then you're still negative. Let's say, okay, let's say you go 0.5%, that's going to give you 4. Okay, there. Let's say you go 0.5%. So with the 80% win rate, you're going to net 4%. And your 3 losses, so you net positive after 10 trades, 1%. Take that to 7, and now your net gain is only 3.5. So now you're only netting 0.5% on the thing. So a high win rate with a negative RR is required. Otherwise, you can't do it. But now my thinking is, do I rather eat a few break-evens, go for bigger targets, and have a positive RR, and let's say I win 7 trades at 1%.
Round 1, fight.
Yes. And gain 7, lose 3, net differential of 4. So you got to choose your poison in this game, unfortunately.
Ned, so just to like, again, like what you're saying is 100% perfect. That's what people don't understand. When I went full time, like literally when I went full time, and was probably one of the best trading periods of my life, my win rate, and I'm not even lying to you, if Hein's still here, I think he would show, because I said he's one of the only people, he knew me at that time. I showed him my payouts, I showed him everything. And I think my win rate then was only like 48%. But my minimum trade, for example, was like a 1 to 4. So I was killing it, even though I had like a 48% win rate. 47, 46 even, let's say. It was in the 40s. But again, that's just what positive RR does. So it's something to always think about.
Chad, I've gone break even on a trade.
Yeah, Han, that was a 50K then, bro. I'll never forget it, guys. You can ask Han. We would go out and I would be like 10% up on the account, and that man would be like, bro, take your payout. And I'd be like, just let me take one more trade. Just let me take one more trade on the 50K account, bro. Keep in mind, guys, and that's what I always say, this wasn't a lie. Like, there's people like, again, like Han was there in that time when I was still a barman. And this isn't a joke, guys. I could even get the pay slips and show you. I was literally making 700 Rand a week. 700 Rand a week.
700 Rand a week.
700 Rand a week.
700 Rand a week.
To literally after that making $5,000 to $6,000 every 2 weeks.
Wait, Keeks, but
Now you can understand how quickly my life changed, guys.
How is it possible 700 Rand a week?
Yeah, that's what I was earning, bro. 22 Rand an hour.
A week? Okay, but you get tips and stuff as
Yeah,
well, eh?
so let's say where, for example, let's just round up and say I was doing 4K a month. Tips, I was maybe making another 4K on top of that through tips. That was it, bro. Keep in mind, guys, and I paid my car, I paid all my stuff. Like, I was just living my life. It was that thing of literally that rat race. I was going day to day to day to day.
No consistency rule, Leon. No consistency rule. Alright, Chad, we break even. Trade, I think, was barely at 10. Oh, it was 12. Dollars at that level. Like I mentioned, I do expect a pop through here. Just purely because of all of the liquidity resting there. How's the hourly gonna close?
Of course, Ed came in at that time, bro.
What's that?
Did someone say molested?
You boys.
I used to work at Mashies back in the day, making 18.50 an hour, but tips were amazing back in the day. But Mashies pumped. Mashies pumped.
Where the Mashy, they ended up.
Yeah,
Who was this?
Michael.
Michael.
Checkers pay 1,000 Rand a week. Yeah, bro, that's what I say. It's crazy.
Petrol attendants get paid almost. Yeah, so how much do they get a day? Okay, well that's quite a long shift.
Yeah, they do long shifts. But again, guys, as I say, it honestly, it's up to you what you want to do with your life. If you want to put the hustle in forward, you want to do it. That's all up to you.
Okay, let's check the dollar we need to do.
Yeah, Bassam. No, that's correct. I need to hear that, Keeks. Thanks, man. No stress, bro. Like I always said, I had to build myself. I never came from anything crazy to do this. I'm not someone that said I worked at Dunkin' Donuts, but just took a photo there with a name badge and
Kids will actually have to go take a photo there at the bar, and you stand behind it. So now I'm serving TPs on the crack.
Nah, guys. Yeah, it was literally a family friend pub. Old man. I still keep in contact with him today.
Listen, but think about this, a real idea. And it's like Keegan van Dijk, from serving drinks, and then you throw the drinks, to then serving TPs. And then you literally, as you throw the drink, you have a chart that goes into profit that drops into...
Yeah, I used to be one of his students, and I always on resources for more than 4 months. Damn.
Who's that?
Yeah, I'm.
Who's that?
I'm not gonna comment on that,
G.
guys.
Alex G.
No, bro, don't say that. You're making the situation worse here. Don't say that.
Wait. What now? Who's he talking about? Must I mute?
Yeah.
Okay. I see. I
Chris,
see.
can you please explain more on the idea of not selling at all-time highs if you have a set?
You got to stick around JDT FX. That's one of the nuggets. You got to stay for the nuggets. He's
Are you still in
Prodigy.
Prodigy, eh? We'll touch on it a bit maybe on the prep call.
And the
touch
boot
on it for
camp.
you guys. And then all the
Boot
Prodigy
camp
members
next
that are
weekend.
yeah, guys, boot camp next weekend. We will put a message out in the group, but yeah, boot camp will be next weekend.
It's going to be nice and early again. Early bird catches the worm. Just don't be the worm that gets caught. All right, Chad. Getting close to that TPs.
We're going to get those TVs, guys. And then
TPs. Right, I forgot
FFB
about
will be
it.
starting after that.
We just need this 30 closing below here.
I think if that closes really
Then
solid.
we're good.
Make it a little top wick and then just drop.
Then I think we're goody. My TP is literally set at previous daily low. Chad, I might even take 1-1 just to... Keeks, what do you rate? 1-1, not even be greedy.
How was the trading this week?
No, decent.
So do you need the 1-1 or would the 1-1 put you up quite a bit now?
The 1-1 is like... oh, boom. Holy shit, Chad. Yeah, that's me. Bro, what the heck?
my word, bro.
I was still like contemplating and it's like boom
Oh,
shakalaka.
bro, hold on. We need to timestamp this one. We need to get
Yes,
this.
dude. That thing literally teleported.
Bro,
Chad.
I need for 1-1 then, bro.
Dude, what the flip happened there? Oh, it's the all of this German data coming out. Oh, Chad, well played. So that's basically 16.7.
Oh, my word, bro. What a way to get TP.
Yo, teleportation. That thing immediately. Okay, wait, we have to get this for IG. We have to. Hope you guys don't mind. Keeks, you don't mind it, eh?
Go for it.
Are you
bro.
happy with it?
Go for it.
All right. As they say in the land of the markets, another day, another dollar. GU shorts absolutely mauled here today. Guys, if you were in that trade and you made some money here today, drop a W in the chat. There we go. A lot of winners. Absolute crazy. Keeks, how was that trade? Teleported to TP.
Bro, that was crazy. Man's contemplating next minute. Bah! TP.
Boom. All right, guys, that is Friday. Join 4 o'clock today as we end off this week strong. Cheers.
Nah, bro, it's a good way to finish the week.
Yo.
For London session.
I think DXY also. There we go, Chad. So remember when we were trading up here and I said I do expect this to just be absolutely mauled? And some of you would say, oh, Chris, but resistance. If you've been in the game a while and you've seen this set up, all of these wicks, all of these rejection areas become weaker. We always talk about it, and this is why you don't short the all-time high. Because now when price gets there again, the bears fail to capitalize. The bears could barely take price away. So I expect retail traders are going to see that as resistance, and I expect the opposite. I expect the punch through. That is why I was very confident in the GU trade. And while we were trading above here, I said we are going to basically punch through there, which we did. But incredible trade, guys. And also, like I said, it should be very likely that we can go to the 1-400. But I'm happy with what we did here. That is, that was a beautiful trade.
That was a good trade, bro.
Rux and the rest of the guys can tell you, I think the last 2 weeks has been super clean. Like we said this morning, if you missed the analysis, go check it out. While price was trading up here, I said I'm not interested in the buys. I'll leave the buys. All I want to see is this. Again, pre-planned. We knew what we wanted to do. We waited for it. We executed on it. We didn't hesitate. And that is the result. Absolutely
Great trade, bro.
incredible.
GU, great trade. The guys that took gold, great trade there. Oh, well, that can start for Friday.
Yeah, okay. Let's get the banger list.
Forgotten bangers.
Chad, let's get the banger list going.
Chad, I hope you guys better be in good spirits now. We don't want to see all these red cards just flying around left, right, and center here today. We're in good spirits. We're going to have a lacquer one here. Check you guys at the bar. We'll see you there, bro.
Hey. Kings, just give me a sec. I just need to...
Chad, I'm just saying, I'm already telling you, we're doing a proper throwback for mine. Chilled style. Keep suspended for this week. Nah, I tell you, bro, I promise you, I'm going like... I'm even scared a bit for mine. Because we always do this, but this is it's such a good song, bro. Such a feel good. It's... Oof.
I already played mine when we started the stream. So I'm off to it.
You see, that's how Chris gets himself out of it, guys.
All right, Chad. 4 names here. Click to spin. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, who's up first? Yeah. Oh, Paco. Okay, Paco Mashape. Beautiful. You are in the mix, my brother. Let me just highlight his name real quick here. Paco, okay, we've got Paco on here, also one of the faithful Chads that have been around. Next up, we have, drum roll now.
Who's it gonna be?
Kayla. Whoa! Did Kayla not? No, Kayla didn't win.
No.
Kayla is the previous Ultimate Trader winner.
Oof. Alright guys, remember just please, if your names are pulled up, just let us know you are here. You need to be here to be present for
Alright, 2 more
Friday
names.
Forgotten Bangers.
2 more names. Who's it gonna be? Torno? That was marginal. That was marginal. Why do I feel like Torno? Oh, Torno. 1 more left, guys. 1 more left.
Okay, so far everyone's here. Tana relationship view, yeah.
Let's see. Amina Nazam. Whoa, Nazam. I think Nazam was chosen last week as well.
Tana, okay.
Nazam. Sorry, man.
No, that's
okay.
not me. I'm Kaylin. That's sponsored NCS. You got the wrong one here, bro.
Okay.
Hey, Kaylin, then we've got high hopes for you.
Nazam, sorry man, we have had this song, Day and Night by Kid Cudi. We've had it. Have we had it?
Yeah, we chatted last week.
Yeah. Nazam, sorry my brother. We're going to have to respin. Do apologize, man. But awesome song. Masho Siddiqui. Alright, sorry Nazam. Let me just get Masho.
Come on.
Okay, that's the names, Geek. So I'm going to start getting everything ready here.
We're going to start with I've sent it to you.
Okay, let me just get all the songs ready here.
Come on, Chad. I've got high hopes here for everyone today.
Okay. Keegs, did you send it to me?
I sent it to you, bro.
Yo, Keegs is playing a dangerous game here, guys.
We're
Keego. Oh, Keegs. Dangerous. Dangerous.
Chad, if anyone that even says they're in this song, they don't know. And it's not a good song. Remember, guys, I said, we've got to be... You guys have got to understand,
Okay.
Music is not just party time the whole time. You got to be able to let back, enjoy it.
Okay, ladies and gents, first up, we've got Mr. Keegan Van Dijk with his Friday Forgotten Bangers.
Come on, baby.
Let's just give him a hand. Keegan Van Dijk. How are you feeling, Keegs? Are you ready? Crowd
We're
is
a bit
going.
nervous. Last week we delivered. Let's see what the chat thinks this time around.
All right, chat. Sit down. Everybody quiet down, please. Thanks. Okay. Wow, I missed it. Wait, but you guys didn't hear anything. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Come on, Chad, baby. Come on, Chad. You guys can't tell me after TPs this isn't a good song. This is TP Town, baby. Come on, Chad. Brian, don't start that, Brian. We don't want that negativity. Yeah. Sorry to say it, bro. We got more positivity than red cards. You red cards are being outnumbered today, baby. Can't tell me it's not a feel-good song on a Friday. Come on, Chad, baby, it's the weekend.
All right, Chad. What do we think? What do we think?
I saw more
What do you think?
positivity than
What do
red
you
cards.
think? All right. Chad, I actually played my song, but I'm gonna play it again. This was the one that I wanted to play. Let me just get it here quickly. Okay, Keeks, what is the verdict here, Chad? What is the verdict? Give me a verdict on Kigo's song.
I saw more positivity than red cards. Just because the
Keeks.
same people keep saying red cards, that doesn't
You
count.
gotta be positive. I love the positivity. Chad, here's mine. Hope you guys are ready for it. This is my bad boy.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. So put something in there. Put it in there. Yeah. Suck, Snoop.
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT,
Guys, I'm gonna
LBC,
show you.
yeah, we
This is
hooking back up.
Chris
And when they bang
later.
this in the club, baby, you got to get up.
Driving home now.
Homies, yeah, they giving it
After
up.
TP Town, he's just there, arm out the window.
Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show.
You know, he's the boss here on Friday night.
Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swing in my hair. Trick, quit talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a put some grip and take this on the jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
Chad, what are we saying?
It's the one and only D.R.E.
Dr. Dre, Lil Buck.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.O.G. Straight off them killer streets of CPT. King up the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Wood, coop the field, rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop. What? Dre and Snoop hitting cumblers in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clipping all the amps, dipping through hoods. What hood? Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side.
All right.
Dr. Dre, Lil Buck.
Okay.
Let's see what the Chad's going to deliver.
Chad, what are we saying? ABC, it's a banger. It's a staple. But
I'd
now,
definitely say it's a tune. Clive, shot for the dono, brother.
how did we get it? Wait. Let me see. Clive, naughty little dono there. Okay, Keeks, you ready for the rest? All right, Chad. Let's calm it down. down. Let's calm it down. Alright. Okay. So, Keeks, first up, we have Tano Peterson.
Right, let's see it.
I almost feel, Keeks, you gotta help me out. I think this song might have been on, but if it's not, but here we go. Tano Peterson, Chad, has cooked up something here for you guys. I feel like this was on.
Oh yeah.
The fancy cars, the women and the caviar.
Really?
You know who we are, 'cause we're pimping all over the world.
Oh shit, Chad, we're going in.
The women and the caviar. You know who we are, 'cause we're pimping all over the world.
Singing hoes.
Little banger.
All over the world, baby. It's only right that I share my experiences with y'all, cause I've been places you'd never imagine. But I'ma start at home. When I see a girl I like, I walk straight up to her and I'm like, hey girl, how you doing? You are the woman that I'm really pursuing, and I would like to get to know you. Can you give me your name?
looks like
And
the
you jot
Chad
down your
ready
number,
for
you'll
this
get mine in
Friday.
exchange. Hey. See, I'm the man of this town, and
We
I
got
hope you
TPs,
wouldn't mind
we
if
got
I showed
bangers,
you
we got
around.
it all.
So when you go to certain places, you'll be thinking of me. We got people to meet and many places to see. Hey, I'm really digging your lips, but be careful where you walking when you swinging them hips. I'm kind of concerned that you'll be causing a crash with your traffic jam booty heads pausing so fast. Hey, I wouldn't trade you for the world, I swear
this is
it.
100%
I like your
ABC,
hair
guys.
in every style that you're wearing.
This is the
And how
breeze
colors
before the night
coordinate
out.
with your clothes from your neck to your
Alright, yo.
This is when you know you get into trouble tonight.
Keeks. Listen, I have to be honest. The Chad is starting off strong here. Tano. Well played. Keeks, I'm positive. I'm positive for the
Looking
rest.
good, guys. Last week was good. It was a nice warm-up. We're getting there now.
Yo. Kaylin Nike has cooked up something for us as well. Hope you guys are ready for this one. Let me give you the best chance possible. Drum roll.
Hey, Uncle Snoop for the win. Another donor there, guys.
Another dono. Oh my goodness.
Wait, whose song is this now?
Kaylin
Alright,
Nike.
Kaylin, that's it. You did NCS. Deliver. I wouldn't be surprised if the song's from NCS.
The song got 2.4 billion views 13 years ago on YouTube.
Right, that says enough.
2.4
I have an
bill.
idea. Hold on. I have an idea what song this is. If it is what I'm thinking of, it's a banger, bro. It's a banger.
It's got a bit of a build up, Chad. Calm down.
It was
Hey man,
sad. Come on, baby.
why ain't nobody around, man? What's up the hell? Where's all the
I don't care who you are. You can't say this wasn't a banger.
What's that?
You weren't there in your bedroom practicing how to shuffle.
What the hell is wrong with y'all? Y'all insane? What you mean? What's going on?
What a song.
Ever since that song came out,
This was
every day,
viral,
been
bro.
shuffling. Monday shuffle, Tuesday shuffle, everybody. The whole world. I ain't scared of everything. It will get in your bones. The truth.
It's a risky one, but it's a classic. Bro, these guys came out. They were the biggest party animals on the planet. They made billions in like a few years, and then just were like, peace out.
You got him in? What? Vitamins? Yeah.
What a song, man.
Bro,
Play along. I can't hear. What the hell? What?
you will get red carded if you said this song isn't a banger. This song literally infected the whole world.
He gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rockets in the house tonight.
What a song.
Bro, what a...
LMFAO.
We just wanna see you
What a tune.
shake that.
The birthplace of shuffling. Yeah.
Ed is trying to shuffle it.
You ever seen the big man move like that?
Looking for your girl, she on the jock. Now stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block.
Alright. What a song. Keeks. Chad, you guys have honestly come out very strong today. 2 for 2. Definitely
That
2 for 2.
That's right up there.
I feel like Paco. Okay, guys, Paco Mashape. Okay, let me not be negative here. I like the band, but it's tough being. It's
to
tough
follow
coming.
that one, bro. To
Chad.
follow that was always going to be tough now.
It's the music that we choose. 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 The world is spinning too fast. I'm fine that Nike shoes to keep myself tethered to the days I tried to lose. My mama said to slow down. You must
What's the
make
chat
your
saying?
own
Chat,
shoes.
talk to me. I need feedback here.
Oh,
Chad, I need feedback. I need
there's a
feedback.
lot of feedback there.
Give me feedback. Oh, disqualifications. Yeah. Shit, Chad.
Yeah.
Shit, Chad. It's a good song, but not this crowd. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna give my boy the benefit of the doubt there. This also just got a lot worse because of what it had to follow.
Yeah, sorry, bro. I think it is a Lacquer song. I like Gorillaz Lacquer.
That one had a very tough thing to follow.
Oh, okay. Paco Mashapi, you definitely not getting the count. I'm kidding. Maybe somebody pulls through. And then Masho Siddiqui. I think this is more what the crowd wants, but let's see.
Let's see.
Last one for FFB today, chat. I hope you guys are ready for this one.
What a song. ABC. A classic.
I'm coming round and now my vision is so clear. If I could change my state.
I can already tell you now, guys, who the fight. This is gonna be a big fight between these two. This and LMFAO. Ah. This is a tough one this week. You got two proper bangers.
Gotta wait for that bridge.
Yeah. Nah, guys, you got two proper bangers this week. Two good songs there, guys.
Yo, chat. Stops. Let me get what's the name ready here. Give me 1 second, chat. Give me a second. I want to get the poll ready here.
Two proper songs.
Sure.
Before we get that vote, I need to go pee, chat.
Chat, I'm just going to drop song names here. All right, Chad, poll is now live. We're going to start it from the start. The one song was Ludacris, if you guys don't remember. That was the one song. Next song was Party Rocker. Party Rock.
Pretty girl, she on my jock, huh? Now stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Tight jeans, tattoo, cause I'm rock.
Right. Party Rock anthem. Gorillas, tough scene. Soul remix. And then the last song was Calvin Harris with Flashback. Alright, Chad. You guys vote who's going to get the FFB title today. Very, very strong FFB today. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy for anybody. But let's see who's going to get it. Let's see who can lock it in. Currently, Party Rock anthem way in the lead. Still, only 1/3 of you have voted, so let's get those votes in, Chad. Let's get voting. Who's going to take the FFB title this week? Chad, but while we wait, it has been an absolutely phenomenal trading week. I don't think anybody can disagree. It has been absolutely awesome. Trades played out, analysis played out. 1 or 2 days where it was slow, no trades taken, but other than that, Keeks, I think it was a absolute banger of a week.
That was a proper week, bro. Like, I can't even complain.
Yeah, it has honestly been incredible. Yeah, Kiggs, I think I want to call it. Yeah, I don't think anybody's going to catch up. Chad, I'm going to give it 1 more minute, but currently Party Rock anthem way in the lead. I thought it's going to be tighter between Ludacris. So currently Party Rock anthem, first place. Second place, Calvin Harris, Flashback. Third place, Ludacris. Gorillas 1%. I think Brian is in the mix there, voting for that one. But Chad, your title winner this Friday, let me just get the name there. Who was Party Rock? Party Rock was Kalen Niker.
Nice.
Kalen.
Delivered.
Kalen, well played.
Signed, sealed, delivered.
Give me 1 second. Let me just check something here. Kalen, let me just pop an email here to support. That is a 10K account for Kalen Niker. Kalen, please do me a favor.
Griffin FX, they should be today, brother. Should be today, so just keep a lookout.
Kalen, quickly check your email. Kalen, please check your email. Just show the guys how we operate here. Check your email quickly. Check it now first, Kalen. If you would be so kind. All right, Keeks, I think we can go full screen. Chad, I was looking at gold here, but again, I'm not going to be greedy. It has been such a good trading week. No need to be greedy here. we're going to see where we are a little bit later. Trades playing out beautifully here this morning. Nasdaq, as mentioned, holding that previous daily high. There is a potential trade here. Again, I don't know if I'm keen to take on some risk, and yeah, we'll see where we are a little bit later, but there is a lot of potential still left on the charts for later this afternoon. But key closing remarks from you, my brother.
Honestly, guys, great session. Love the vibes. Love being here every now and again for London. Friday for Got Bangers was a great one today. So yeah, we have one more to wrap it up, and I'm sure the crack is going to deliver as always. But yeah, one more session for us to finish strong this week, but definitely been a good week. So yeah, Chris, thanks for having me, bro.
Awesome. Thanks, Kigo. Thanks for joining. And always, Chad, absolute pleasure and privilege trading here with you guys. We will see you guys at 4 p.m. Last session of the week. Let's finish the week off strong. If you had a good morning here, close your charts. Please do not go and get yourself into trouble and mess up your entire trading week. So peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys a little bit later. Cheers.
Cheers, Chad.
Upside down. Upside down. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to the place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down. Upside down. Clothe ourselves in light, hoping we'll survive. Won't raise a white flag, 'cause out there in the shield, 'cause they coming for the kill. Even though my mind is reeling still. Oh, we've been here before. Armor and sword, embers spit up my nose. Half dead and asleep, nightmares turn to dreams. Will you be ready when the darkness comes? I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you.